We are gonna make a bird's nest because spring we want to come. We look at real nests to get ideas. They use their sharp toes to grab stuff and they layer it on top of each other to keep their babies safe from predators like cats and foxes or something. Step 1. Put on an apron because this class is going to be messy and fun. Step 2. Sheet of whatever you want to cover the table.
Next thing. Take your yarn, nip it. This is hard.
Step 4. Collect different kinds of papers. Cut up brown bag, graphia, and shredded paper.
Step 5. Make an adult blow up a balloon for you. How about you, Mom?
You have your blowed up balloon, then you put it in a bowl so it's steady. Step 6. Take some white glue and put some water. Then dip, dip, dip. Then you take your thumb and your finger and pull the glue off. There you go all over the place. Can someone help me? Sir, can you hold this gluey thing?
This gluey slop. It is fun.
From other birds, they take their feathers and spread it on their nest. Tuck in feathers and paper. I've been waiting for spring. Aren't you excited for spring? Real birds use mud instead of glue, so that's why we're using craft sand. Your hands will get very messy, but you wrap. We can dig it out of snow, so that's silly. That's how messy hands you get.
Let it dry overnight.
When it's dry, have an adult pop the balloon. And then you have a nice... Ready? Yeah. Here, we're done our nest. What could you put inside? Drawing materials. I think I could put in a painting.
Or cupcakes, or cake. You can make your own nest. If you want. Or maybe I could help you. I could pop the balloon. See you next time.